So everyone, we must train to defeat our new enemy. So let's all fight. Hal, what are you gonna do to defeat this enemy? I'm gonna do this. Back away. Bing, 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 bing. Ooh, ooh. Good. Really? Yes. No. Sit back down. Ugh. Jeb, how are you gonna protect yourself? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Psst, shh, shh. Uh-oh. Yup. Psst, psst. Psst, 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 psst. Psst. Where'd you go? Hello? Hey, hey, hey. Where'd the stick go? The stick just took Hal. Do 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 do. You took the stick, didn't you? What? Admit it. Confess. You took the stick. How? Why did I take the stick? Yeah, he didn't take the stick. He was here the entire time. See, I can even tell you with my mind magic. Okay. Well, you have a 99% chance of telling the truth since you showed me. But I still believe it was you, Jeb. You took him. You're the only green guy left. You really think so? Yes. Alright. Well, I told you there was another green guy. Who's that? I don't know. Could be any green guy in the world. Well, it was you. So, Dr. Pig, how are you gonna fight? I'm gonna fight like this. Ooh. Oh. Bing. Huh? What's this? What the? It says, I live in the light realm where no dark entity has gone before. There is no stopping me, but I am the puppet master. Huh? The puppet master? Who's the puppet master? Well, I don't know. I mean, I'm smart. I bet I can figure it out. Well, based on the fact that we have a channel, must be the creator of the channel. Hey, there's some coordinates here. The light realm, 38 negative 141. That's right past the dark area, where all the dark entities realm. I mean, like lurk or something. Well, what are you gonna do? We're gonna have to find my friend, who is a dark entity. You have a friend that's a dark entity? Yes. but it's gonna take a lot of effort. He can teleport.